mereka.
Kita bagi ni nonton ngor takir ouch Pelangi show and we say a very big binaka magalevu.
Right.
To all the staff of Punjas who are tuning in this morning, going to work or staying at home, maybe enjoying their day off or annual leave.
Right.
So back to much na matadi kuha.
Don't minak serang.
Napalo bisa rabito kanya na baka tambising.
They will be, all of them will be hyping.
Yeah.
You know why?
Why?
Because Punjas celebrates 90 years of service.
Okay.
In Fiji.
Hands together.
Yeah.
Papalo tadi bikin ni sama tu malam di lori, malam di taxi, malam di minibus. Motoka mo ito kaya yan motoka sa umi. Orang ni menatal tungan ni bikin ni sama tu malam di Keria. Mana koram. Orang ni ngone buli, bibang lin chiko na matakan tayo. Kaya mo ni kada sarna ngone buli tubuna.
Okay, tu dalor ni matanggali ng buke-buke. Suba ngole somuting ko pambibi tamay levani. Sa wili singati o tamay levani. Usintaw rawa. Kang odin ko marisiruti ko man mata alor ni matanggali may ng buke-buke. Ena korturang lebu Don't boleh benaka. Emmanuel met ngar tambona bawalin don't boleh benaka. This morning. Yes, another vehicle accident causing a big traffic here at Valley Level today. Right now. Yeah.
Wow. Kung mana 722. Ta 736 go.
Right.
Kebal ngon donang ngon lalag nga sa
Valley Level. Here.
Where?
In Valley Level.
Right.
This is close to
Avenue.
Right.
So
another vehicle one accident causing traffic right now at Valley Levu. If you are plan to come on the Valley Levu Nasino side, please be careful of your planning.
Be mindful.
Kalau misalnya kelo mana itu ya na buni video leka. And baka tabi siya. Okay. Aku bukan bina kacu bukan na daw mo na people bola. Era na daw mo dala garabi kina. So sando mo wana na bukan na rabing garabi.
Era tu mantangan front desk.
Daw mo bina. Yesterday I went to
Okay.
Ngole kina births and death and marriage office.
Tama naman kandidat certificate.
Hindi alam mo rin masali to pala ni bulu-bulu.
Lama.
Ako na kacu doon to matagal ni tabwa. May tabwa ilisipid na tan.
Sali. Ili.
Matakali.
Lolo masari mambimbi tamay lasarusa.
Tatang simono kana seri sa mo chuko. Takira kana interview. Atu kuno kay batakali. Warong chuko na buni bitalo ni share ni nagita may lasarusa. Yang ko ramat share may tabo li may tabwa.
Oh, to naman bultalo tunga be kodi. Tweeted.
Ano na ka?
Tweeted. Ngo ka raw tadinra na it's on true story. This is a song, old song.
Right.
They never recording this in a one studio.
Right.
But they use it now. It's a hit song. Katarina Tamay Lasarusa. So they are both from one same village.
Okay.
From the same village.
Right.
So Tamay Lasarusa is the real father
Of Lasarusa.
of Lasarusa.
Right.
So you can hear the song. It's like this. Watisoni. Gurangura. Watisoni Gurangura is a best friend of the Waikola Ningonovo Itabua.
Right.
One day they was in somewhere. They doing they was in they are close friend, So when they was there, Watisoni was telling about the story.
Right.
So Watisoni telling about the story that
Tuwaisele Bunuwanga senior.
Tuwaisele Buniwanga.
Both of them passed away now. Rest in peace.
So Watisoni now is passed away too.
Right.
Rest in peace Turangatau, Watisoni. So Katarina, during his time of pregnancy, she mentioned he.
Okay.
Katarina, he. Mentioned two names.
Okay.
She mentioned Tamay Lasarusa. Tamay Lasarusa is the real one.
Right.
And mention
Watisoni
Gurangura.
Oh, okay.
So Watisoni Gurangura was like this. I never do it.
I never come there.
I never come there. It's a Waimano apartment.
But they are friend, eh?
Yeah. Like
okay.
they are best friend.
Pizza takan na yalalo nampulo mina korre.
Yeah.
What's that? friend nga.
Right.
Right.
This song was composed in
82.
82.
Right.
It's an old song.
Yeah, long time ago, and then they sang that song again.
Right. Mr. Waisalia Bunuanga.
Yeah.
And then from there, he shared the story.
Oh,
He shared the story.
That's why the story.
Yeah.
It became a song.
Yeah.
Katarina, it's a mother of Lazarus.
Oh, okay.
So one day they come there, they telling the story.
Yeah.
And in the version like this, it said, "Autangan ng galawasa nung gusala na dakaw."
Right.
Everybody was thinking the fella from outer island.
Yeah.
No, they are from the same village.
Right.
From one village in Tabua.
Right.
So they're from the same village.
Yeah.
And the version was like this: "Tangan ng galawasa nung gusala na dakaw," because the ngurangura,
Yeah.
what's in ngurangura,
Yeah.
his fish
Yeah.
is the kanade.
Oh,
So he hides.
No wonder.
Yeah.
He hides that version like tangan ng galawasa because the kanade is always move around in the sea.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
What na nang sir?
No kusala na dakaw.
Nung gusala na dakaw.
Right.
O the Yeah. So it went like this. The version in Fiji,
Right.
like this. O the imbeka kona numameta may Lazarusa.
Right.
Yeah.
And because ngurangura knew it.
Yeah.
It's not him.
I never come there.
Fala is sure
Yeah.
that it's not his
Right.
baby.
But the fella now is passed away.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for the nice song.
Yeah.
Right.
For the people joining this morning.
Yeah.
It's a very nice. Everybody now is want to be Atamay and Tinay Lazarusa.
Yeah.
Can see like a 10 now, eh?
Yeah.
Can see.
What marabu Susana?
Right.
Hidden Angel, thank you very much, Tinay Lazarusa.
Yeah.
Namos Catholic School.
That day,
Huh?
I was working on Saturday.
Yeah.
And the police force from Nabua, they
Right.
came back from the parade in Nasisi.
Yeah.
And they were heading down to Nabua in the bus.
Yeah.
And one of them message they want to the dedication.
Yeah.
Naman rin suka ni Arnan rabe mbunalewe.
Right.
Karam suka na tabat kanila umay na po. And they said, please can you dedicate this song
Yeah.
that Tamay Lazarusa.
Yeah.
After the dedication, the message I saw the thing waving.
Yeah.
Hey, Matangali, you know, like we can hear your voice. All the police officers, especially the girls,
Yeah.
they all want to be Chile Lazarusa.
So good morning to Tanabungo Tongo, Senator Retuba.
Yeah.
Sebut ko man matali ko matikino na naw bilang
Right.
mo sa rabito kay na pagkata bisig ni ko.
Yeah.
Di ko la koro and
Ano na,
college dava and na hu.
Yeah.
Huh.
Who's
And then now everybody is singing the song like a 10 song right now.
Right.
Tamay Lazarusa Katarina, very nice song.
Yeah.
Thank you very much to the Waikula Kitabua.
Right.
But now they are using the Waikula ni Matani Singapore Kitabua.
Don't mo na.
right.
Because some kids are still sleeping now.
To the people of Tabua Lebu from Tabua, thank you very much.
Yeah. No sorry. Ano ba
Okay.
matakali karla ni tubuna.
Right.
Nakele toko tele kere me numero nangon ni bono lebu. Se mo tungo. How come the Messi? The bono lebu boys, the bono lebu kids always sleep.
Where is the location? I want to
You know,
know.
like the story I told you guys yesterday.
Toko.
Toka Telebu. Thank you. Keep
Carolina, this is from Carolina.
keep it up.
What did you
Keep it
say?
Huh?
What did you say?
Go, orto naman di bono lebu, orto naman di bono lebu, siya mo dengango.
Iyo. You know the caption Monolebu.
Yeah.
The story I was telling you guys yesterday.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
okay.
mean the other day.
But the wife from Telebu. Kami renge untuk mula binakabe, kami watikin lolomo, Thames Bay.
Yeah.
Thames Bay New Zealand.
Right.
Lai sani Kandabu Street lau toka.
Iyo.
Sabambulo tu ni Tabua kali simbolo kula.
Right.
Texas nga. Oni ni binana buni bengarabi and this morning. Kacau. After this where? Today is Friday. Ask gang.
Okay. Iyo, biki mo rin ka, daw siguro kiro lang laki lolo bukire do tumanda ng besin niya kon.
Wow.
Sa sentaro, mika.
Come.
Ngonen daw sengkin ng village si montar don torres bala.
Boy.
Ya sir nga. Ano taro?
Right.
Iko tamo do.
Boy Rafi ada.
Gor na boy ko sige musuka may muna.
Busmay muna me kan rusi. Berangante nangon ya bula tolong. Nambili plasta bat kena linji.
O cha ke Indre.
Arna no matalangon de tobio na mate nambele tu ko tanga mate.
Tayo ba? Sigo to mate.
Aba kata itu na bele tini soli ko me bon lotu. Ara dingi tal tu ko na sinikau. Awai ba miti.
Ano ba ka may Bow City? Ano ba tago go?
Tama yan, wapata yan, we use the herbal medicine Mesui kina.
Mesui belum betu. Satan ini bahasa yang gurung-gurung banget.
Wes alay. Penfree ko may serene
Gana.
turangan ba ka watakin loloma? Never come there.
Never come there.
Okay.
Asin berok ko di
asin ba is giving the warning.
Saran beramo ko di tweet net. Sini metadina. Lu pena? Lu pena ya? Lu be wasele bunuang ka?
Iyo.
Uy, yung gano'n naman detalye.
Saan nalibena?
Uy, isa.
Nalibena, gaso Eroni? Eroni ko nilulin matseri.
Oh, right.
Mwana ya, kwando ngole chumike do coach kumana.
Rawo sa tiyo saka, kaya kan sa mata wala mun rawo sa tiyo saka. Daw bita din man tanga. Buro-buro ngo nakalo en bulikan dapat tomat, handa bita din ni. Everybody is your brother and sister.
Oy, ko mototongi.
Can you say hi to them?
Hi. Pita sandrong umbula menaka bena wala sarna sama demesi koloni ralu.
Iyo, ay nunukoi.
Iya, John Kumar sangat-sangat juga nandede.
John Kumar, thank you very much. I can see your movement on dancing. It's like you know that movie. Before the movie come, it's like this. Colombia, you know.
Yeah, that lion.
Kamu nonton tadi semata?
No, the one girl with apa bikini.
Oh,
kan kita sumbang.
Makanya tambah ini spray.
Iya, kan tahu bang kok.
Iku molong kok ya, nonton tadi semata.
That's ada mana kalau ada?
Ada benar.
Jimo yang buta, bulare kai, Dems, I never come there.
Bulare.
Utusan bulare Samuel Sami, Ratu Semi winning goal minibus.
Wan media.
Rek media.
Ara ako ang rabi kenal lo wara lo ay ang rabi naka.
Iya.
Arto na makatigo cukup mitabong.
Ode.
Arto mitabong.
Anu gulang ko si madar lau tutu ngorata. Mo ne buti berata. Karuan ni kuai.
Oh, waya kongor ko lewat tuh ini mat kedi belimbul.
Iyo. Padahal itu sasutan ano ke karua.
Oh,
kenapa lu tangan bau?
Ndora kana ni bisa tangannya mau tuh kapan gue? Karo kita sotana no gay sedikit lah ko ya. Ni rura itu ya kiro ritan itu ya kiro ware ko itu. Ni rungo le sobi cukup masih ruleru. Gay pas dan ya. Saya itu satu gay itu.
Ndana matanggali karanda umbula bata kena ikan roka me wainran na kana bikin minalaku. Era tutu matangana ikan roka ro bandu indi takiro ngana buin rau. Endu elo endu entamundamu.
Ano na pasti sanbi mongol cikira raki.
Do ya no do na.
Amne siru tua.
Boleh menaka. Nalaku. Okuan kemim sanda ubaba ne kan bisi ngasar kila bina katuna moto. Ningono ngaran dore itu kinna dali bini moto. Di sarong ada bat na wandre nga. Saya lisar nga. Bona kaya do be keromomo nano.
Oh, bosobo.
Rola ko motu gamay. Pasti nga na lori mekiro retaleni. Dua nga satu saya lihat hotel.
Uno mendu understand ni do mama do ato.
Al manu masar konektar la ne bola tampone bukan sana sabat turiana na kalau na kana mata kawe. Era ketungin besen biadu borto lewe tulu. Angge banggo orto onan mangan tembi le tulu yang ko sapa. Ya onan banggo be konan onan mangan rola meleru yang ko santu.
Nani ro prestia. Kita bebita lo tuh kita wakil ruar kasar kami ada mau kan karu.
Mana karu abna balemu? Bina balemu mau ausalo kami kamu ni.
Iya.
Ausalo saya talinga mo sabi kamu ni.
Right.
Like, heart, setaka.